Matumal ang negosyo? Have you ever felt that long, quiet season sa negosyo mo? The one where you keep checking your messages, hoping for new inquiries, pero all you see and all you hear is just silence, walang order, walang bookings, walang excitement. Only bills waiting to be paid. And you start to question yourself, may mali ba sa ginagawa ko? Am I not good enough? Alam mo ba anak, silence does not always mean failure. Sometimes it's just a signal, a moment to pause, to fix what's broken, and to prepare for the next big wave. Alam mo anak, I have worked with many business owners who face this. Kanina lang may nakausap ako. Pagod na siya, unsure, and overwhelmed. For a while, everything was going well. Kahit na customers were coming in, projects were running smoothly, income was flowing, nagkaroon pa rin sila ng quiet season. Yung mga messages, biglang naging matumal. Orders stopped, and it felt like everything has just stalled. At first, kala nila okay lang yan, normal lang yan. Pero when weeks turned into months of silence, panic started to creep in. Kaya alam mo ba anak, panic is the fastest way to burn out. So, nag-slow down sila. Not the business, but yung pagwo-worry nila. And from that calm space, they discovered key lessons na nakatulong sa kanila. Not only to survive the slump, but to come out stronger than ever. Kaya mo yan anak. Just continue being business-minded, Pinoy.